Alright everybody, I'm out here with the Mambo. I'm waiting for it to get bound up. It's not as windy as it was the other day. Okay, so it's the wind isn't as bad. It's a little breezy, but nothing like it was the other day. We'll just wait for this sucker to get bound up. Wow, what a great flyer. The Mambo. What a classic. That's why I keep flying it, because I love it. Did I lose the bind? Yes, I did. For some reason. Okay, it's coming back. I got it back. Good that it just sits there and hovers. Okay. It doesn't fall out of the sky or take off. It just stops. It's getting a little windy. That's why it's running back that way, because the wind's pushing it. But yeah, it just sits there, and I lost the bind on it, and it just sit there. It didn't fly away or do anything like that. Let me bring it down here a little bit. Yeah, so that's good to know, because I never knew that, because I never lost the bind on this thing before. You see in this brown sand right here, that's why it's juking around a little bit. Yeah, so now I know that's what this does. If you go out of range or lose the bind on it, it'll just sit there. Not like the Tello, where it flies away. Well, that's good to know. Got some, I can't believe there's people out here jogging. It's like 45 out here right now. Okay, there goes the low battery warning. Come back, baby. Get back here. Yeah, I got hit on the thumb, but didn't hurt. Piece of cake. No biggie. Alright guys, there you go. A flight with the Mambo. Did okay. Don't think it flew as long as it did the other day, but heck, that might be just maybe I was using a different battery. Maybe that battery's not as good as the other one. That's what I'm thinking. Because I have 2 batteries for it. I used to have 3, but I sent one to Chris Justice, so when I sent him that, you know, that goofy ass thing, what the hell it's called? The swing. Yeah, when I sent him the swing. By the way, I had just got done flying this Wimius, and it crashed right into that building. I'll put a little sample of it crashing in there for you. I'll put a little clip of video. Well, went right into that thing. It went out of range. I lost the bind on it, so you know what the deal is with that. It doesn't have much range. It's kind of like the Tello. Good thing that building's there, right? Because if that building wasn't there, that thing would have just kept on going. Okay? Just like the Tello flew away on me the first time I ever flew it. So, went up in that tree. Remember, and I kept throwing that stick up there. So, hey, building, thank you. The battery went flying out. I'm sure the video quit running. The memory card popped out. But, you know, that's how it goes. No big deal. But it has very crappy range, okay? It does exactly what the Tello does when it goes out of range. Flies away. If you lose the bind on it, adios. Luckily, that building was there, because it would have just kept on going. I lost the bind on it. You'll see, I'll put it right at the end of this one. Lost the bind on it, and it just kept going straight and smashed right into that white door and hit the ground. But it didn't. The battery popped out, but there's no damage. I mean, it doesn't have one mark on it. But I'm gonna have to look into the range on this thing. It didn't even dent any of the props or nothing. So it must have hit just like in the right exact spot, you know, like on the, I think it probably hit on one of these ends here, you know. But yeah, it took a shit right into the door there. Went out of range, so oh well, what are you gonna do? Okay, it's a Tello clone for sure. It flies away just like the Tello does. Okay, all right guys, I'll talk to you later. Yeah.